What's going on, family? It's the boy VC coming back with another video. Thank you guys for clicking on this link. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at @therealvc2. Hit that subscribe button and the like button because we're about to get into this crazy breakdown of my 360 hybrid pattern. So without further ado, let's get into it. What's going on, family? So in this session, I will be using a variety of products from SBI Styles. You can check them out in the link below, and I will put my discount code on the screen as well as in the description. So to start off, I will be using the Botanical Chocolate Hair Serum. It's a mixture of the different essential oils, and it also helps give the hair a nice shine as well as help further lay the hair down. I will be using the Rat Tail Comb by SBI Styles, which will help break forks as well as get the waves flowing in the direction I want to go. The Wooden Pick by them, as well as the Soft, Medium, and Hard Brush. And the combination of the pick and comb will massage my scalp for one, as well as reducing frizz and static from the hair and getting laid down by these three amazing brushes. So without further ado, let's get into it. That wraps up the video, family. Thank you guys again for viewing this video. If you're still here, go ahead and leave a comment, like the video, and hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at @therealvc2. And make sure you're ready for next week because we're about to go crazy. It's going to be a December to remember. Catch y'all next week.